Welcome everyone. Today we are going to implement a simple file storage using .NET Core and C# language. So here we have a simple ASP NET Core Web API project. I've created a simple and empty control now. In this video we're going to implement only upload endpoint. So let's implement it. So here we have three options how we can do that. We can do that via IFormFile interface. And just get file from here. Also we can do that via model binding and using base 64 encoding. In that case we can write something from body, class name, and just get the base 64 and decode base 64 bytes from that model. And the greatest way to do that for me is using the request property and body property of our controller. In that case we leave our parentheses empty because we will work only with request object. So here we can capture the body of request. We can read from body our data, so our file. Here we can just read to that buffer our data. Don't forget using await keyword for asynchronous I/O operations. Here we have a buffer, and then we can use content type for our complete app, but in this video I will use just mocked file name and extension. Let's say we're going to upload MP3 file, just audio file, but in the production, let's say, let's call this production, we can use content type from our request object, and this content type is basically a MIME type which we can map to exact file name extension. Let's delete this one from here. Let's save our buffer to our physical storage, our physical file system. We will use system IO file class for that. Write all bytes, I think, for sure. And there we need to paste path of file. We already have this one here. And let's paste our buffer here. Don't forget using await keyword. So basically that's all. Just 5 lines of code, and we can upload any file. In our case it will be MP3 file. We cannot save another kind of file, another type of file, but we can extend that method and map from content type. So let's write some kind of testing here. Also we should put that HTTP post, because it is post method. Also let's write some test cat method, for example get content, I think. Here what we want to do is just get these bytes from our physical storage. For example, let's get this file with extension mp3. It takes 3 megabytes, so it's not so small. Let's read the file, also in some kind of buffer. And here we will use the HTTP client and post method for streaming this buffer to our endpoint here. It will some kind of marking the network operation here. So don't use HTTP client like I have done here, because it is actually not disposed in the graceful way. Use HTTP client factory for that. Our test is ready, and I will use the Postman tool for testing by hands also. So firstly, let's start our application and see if it works at all. Yep, great, it works. We have a storage endpoint here, so typing it there, and what we also want to do is just upload it like binary data. For example, let be Lofi Radio Chill. Okay, let's get that Lofi Radio Chill file and try to upload this. Oh, it didn't work like I think. Let's distinguish these two endpoints and call the storage endpoint. Yes. Oh, here we've gotten the request, and let's check out if it works. For sure, we need to change that for content length. Great, here we have a red buffer. Get the file name. We can open it by this link, but now it doesn't exist. Yeah, we cannot read the file, but after saving, we actually can. And it starts to play. Let's drop that file and try with HTTP client here. Just send a request, get file from here, and post that content, which we have right here, to our endpoint here. And also, we can see that right now we don't have the file, but after saving, the file appears, and we also can hear it and can listen. That's all, guys. Thank you so much for your attention, and bye.